बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Again we are here for another lesson on translation from Urdu to English. Our today's target is past perfect tense. Here is the detail about the lesson. This lesson is for all sections of grade 8, and the activity of the lesson is to learn how to translate into English, specifically the sentences of past perfect tense. It is 8th September 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Your teacher Sayyid Mubashir Hussain Shah is here for you. Dear students, the main objectives of this lesson are in front of you. This lesson has some expectations. This lesson wants to enable you to recognize the sentences of past perfect tense in Urdu language as well as in English language. This lesson also wants to enable you to translate Urdu sentences into English language, especially the sentences of past perfect tense. This lesson wants to give you practice in all the basic rules of translation. Dear students, this page has been taken from your book, Punjab Textbook Board, English Composition and Grammar for 9th and 10th class. This page says past perfect tense, active voice and affirmative sentences. It is about positive sentences. In this tense, especially in Urdu, we find such words at the end of the sentences: चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, etc. We also find such words लिया था, लिए थे, etc. दिया था, दिए थे, etc. Then you must know past perfect tense is also called Mazi Baid. Mazi Baid. Mostly the sentences of such type have two clauses. For example, मेरे घर आने से पहले मेरा बेटा स्कूल जा चुका था. There are two clauses. The main clause is मेरा बेटा स्कूल जा चुका था. At the end of this main clause you find चुका था, and the other clause is मेरे घर आने से पहले. And in English language you see two clauses. The main clause has the helping verb had plus third form of verb. You see, my son had gone. The main clause in this sentence, my son had gone to school. And the other clause is, the subordinate clause says, मेरे घर आने से पहले, before I came home. This subordinate clause is basically past indefinite tense. Before I came home. Came is the second form and it is used in past indefinite sentences. My son had gone to school before I came home. Second sentence, लड़कियां पहले ही गीत गा चुकी थीं. The word पहले ही has been used here to show it is माजी बईद or past perfect tense. One thing more you must know, past perfect tenses just deal with the sentences where you find mazi ba'id as well as mazi mukammal, a thing which was completed in the past. The girls had already sung songs. The girls had already sung songs. सेंटेंस नंबर 3, गाहक के आने से पहले धोबी कपड़े इस्त्री कर चुका था. धोबी कपड़े इस्त्री कर चुका था. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, मेन क्लॉज, इट शोज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, चुका था. द वॉशरमैन हैड प्रेस्ड द क्लॉथ्स. गाहक के आने से पहले पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, बिफोर द कस्टमर केम. सेकंड फॉर्म इज यूज्ड इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. मेरे मिलने से पहले मेरा भाई मुबारकबाद का ख़त डाक में डाल चुका था. माई ब्रदर हैड पोस्टेड द लेटर ऑफ कंग्रेचुलेशन. लेटर ऑफ कंग्रेचुलेशन, मुबारकबाद का ख़त. मेरे मिलने से पहले, इट इज़ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज and here you find past indefinite, before I met him. My brother had posted the letter of congratulation, past perfect tense. Before I met him, past indefinite tense. रेफरी के सीटी बजाने से पहले टीमें मैदान में उतर चुकी थीं. The teams had reached the play field before the referee whistled. इम्तिहान शुरू होने से पहले तमाम उम्मीदवारान कमरा इम्तिहान में आ चुके थे. All the candidates had entered the examination hall before the paper began. Began is second form. Had entered, had plus third form of verb. इम्तिहान शुरू होने से पहले, it is subordinate clause, before the paper began. सूरज निकलने से पहले लड़के फूल तोड़ चुके थे. The boys had plucked the flowers before the sun rose. हमने ये खबर कल तक नहीं सुनी थी. We had not heard this news till yesterday. Till yesterday shows it is past perfect and it is माजी बईद. हमने ये खबर कल तक नहीं सुनी थी. कल तक नहीं सुनी थी. माजी बईद, टू शो माजी बईद. We had not heard this news till yesterday. अभी तक बारिश ना हुई थी. It had not rained yet. लोगों ने इससे पहले ऐसा अजीब जानवर ना देखा था. People had not seen such a strange animal before. अमजद ने कल तक सबक याद नहीं किया था. अमजद हैड नॉट लर्नड द लेसन टिल यस्टरडे. मैं तुम्हारी दरख्वास्त पर पहले ही गौर कर चुका था. आई हैड ऑलरेडी कंसिडर्ड योर एप्लीकेशन. कंसिडर्ड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड यू कैन सी हैड आल्सो बीन यूज्ड हियर. आई हैड ऑलरेडी कंसिडर्ड एंड द वर्ड ऑलरेडी is there to show माजी बईद, past perfect. डाकिया दोपहर से पहले चिट्ठियाँ तकसीम कर चुका था. The postman had delivered the letters before noon. Before noon. This phrase is used to make the sentence mazi baid. In all these sentences you can see mazi mukammal is there, mazi baid is there, and in the English sentences you can see had plus third form of verb is used in the main clauses. Then in the subordinate clause, if there is past indefinite tense has been used. In all sentences above, we find in sentences had plus past participle form of verb has been used in all cases of subjects. There is no difference of singular or plural, etc. Now let's move towards negative sentences. In negative sentences, not is used just after the helping verb had. Look at the following sentences. मैंने अपनी जायदाद 1986 से पहले फ़रोख्त ना की थी. I had not sold my property before 1986. The phrase before 1986 is here to make the sentence mazi baid, mazi mukammal. And then you see not has been used just between had and sold. Had is the helping verb used in past perfect tense, and sold is the past participle form, third form of verb sell. तुमने मुझे आज तक फैसले की इत्ला नहीं दी थी. You had not informed me of the decision till today. Had not informed. Informed is the third form of verb, and before that you use had plus not. तुमने मुझे आज तक फैसले की इत्ला नहीं दी थी. वो मुलाजमत के लिए दरख्वास्त नहीं दे चुका था. He had not applied for the job. He had not applied. Applied is the third form, and had not plus third form of the verb. हमने इससे पहले उसको नहीं देखा था. We had not seen him before. Now we should move towards the questionary sentences, the interrogative sentences of past perfect tense. In interrogative sentences of helping verb type, you just see had has been used before the subject. क्या तुम आज़ान से पहले नमाज पढ़ चुके थे? Had you offered your prayers before the prayer call? Had, helping verb, is being used here just before the subject you. Had you offered your prayers before the prayer call? लोगों के नारे लगाने से पहले पुलिस ने लाठियां क्यों बरसाई थी? It is WH word question. Why had the police lathi charged the people before they raised slogans? लोगों के नारे लगाने से पहले. Then next word, next sentence is क्या हेडमास्टर के आने से पहले तालिब इल्म उस्ताद से गुस्ताखी कर चुका था? Had the student misbehaved with the teacher before the headmaster came? क्या पुलिस के पहुंचने से पहले अफसर रिश्वत ले चुका था? Had the officer accepted bribe before the police arrived? क्या उसने पहले सांप नहीं मारा था? Had he not killed the snake before? क्या क्लर्क ने अफसर के हुक्म पर चपरासी को बर्खास्त कर दिया था? Had the clerk dismissed the peon before the order of the officer? Now we should move towards WH questions, but here we have concern with such words as who. The word WH is just taken as the positive sentences take, he, she, it, etc. शाहजहाँ के ताजमहल बनाने से पहले किसने ऐसी शानदार इमारत बनाई? Who had built such a grand building? Who had built such a grand building? किसने ऐसी शानदार इमारत बनाई? Who had built such a grand building? And the WH word who is being taken as he, she, it in positive sentences. Before Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal, it is past indefinite tense. Let's see these sentences as well as क्या चौकीदार के आने से पहले चोर दरवाजे का ताला खोल चुका था? Had the thief unlocked the door? Had the thief unlocked the door before the watchman came? दुकानदार ने दुकान कब से सजा रखी थी? Since when had the shopkeeper decorated the shop? काफिला पहुंचने से पहले लोग क्यों वापस जा चुके थे? Why had the people returned before the caravan reached? गाड़ी में सवार होने से पहले तुमने टिकट क्यों नहीं खरीदा था? Why had you not bought a ticket before boarding the train? One thing we must know, in interrogative sentences of WH words type, the helping verb had is used just before the subject and the WH words are used before the helping verb had. Here you can see मज़दूरों ने मुआवजा लेने से पहले हड़ताल क्यों खोल दी थी? Why had the laborers called the strike off before they received wages? Here you see सूरज गरूब होने तक उसने काम क्यों ख़त्म ना किया था? Why had not he finished his work till sunset? The word how is taken just as WH words. शाम होने से पहले शेर गाय को उठाकर कैसे ले गया? How had the lion carried away the cow before sunset? क्या असगर 4 बजे तक सेंचुरी बना चुका था? Had Asghar made a century before 4 o'clock? Here again you see helping verb had is being used just before the subject. And in the first sentence, क्या अदालत ने कल तक उसे बरी नहीं किया था? Had the court not acquitted him till yesterday? So there are so many sentences, and all sentences you find one thing, and that is in the helping verb questions just we use had right in the beginning and before the subject, and WH questions take WH word right in the beginning of the sentence and before the helping verb had. And you can also see these sentences in your book. Now let's move towards the exercise. There are 2 exercises in your book and you will have to solve all the sentences given in these 2 exercises. It is the first exercise. क्या तुम्हारा भाई ये इम्तिहान पहले ही पास कर चुका था? Had your brother passed this exam? Had your brother already passed this exam? And it is helping verb question, So we are using had right in the beginning of the sentence and before the subject. Had your brother already passed this exam? मैंने इतना खूबसूरत जानवर पहले नहीं देखा था. I had not seen such a beautiful animal before. नंबर 3, क्या मदद मिलने से पहले ज़ख्मी मर चुका था? Had the wounded died before the first aid, before he got the first aid? Different ways you can adopt. तुम्हारे पहुंचने से पहले वो स्कूल नहीं गया था. He had not gone to school. He had not gone to school before you reached. सूरज 5 बजे से पहले ग़ुरूब नहीं हुआ था. The sun had not set before 5 o'clock. Most of the sentences here in this exercise helping verb questions you can find here, and this practice will give you help to move towards the WH questions. वो इससे पहले गाड़ी में सवार नहीं हुआ था. He had not boarded a train before this. Anyhow, there are some negative sentences. They will help you to understand this tense in a proper way, but you need to do all these exercises if you want to learn. Some difficult words are also given here under the title vocabulary. Dear students, mostly you solve the exercises which have already been solved and send to me as attendance. Send to me as assignment for attendance. Please, these sentences not solved here must select 5 sentences from each of the exercises above, and they will be 10 sentences from both of the exercises, and send these sentences to me in the WhatsApp group, which is specifically for the assignments. Thank you very much. You have learned many things today. Hope you will also cooperate in your learning, and you can share this video to your friends, and you can also subscribe for the future videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.